Hi guys, today we talk about how to turn off this sign or know how you can do that on your BandLab app. So all you have to do, you just go above this photo, click on it here in app. So then it's going to take us to your profile here. Then all you have to do, just go above this sign settings, click on it here. So then it's going to take us to this list. Then you just click here on notifications, and it's going to take us to notifications list here. It's going to take our time, so you just have to wait to open video here. So usually it's going to let, then it's going to show for you like this. You click here on bands and you go down, you come here to I use or to one of my bands. You click in this sign or this color, like you see color it's gone, that's me turn off now. Then you turn off it for email too. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.